Hi everyone, my name is Maria and I'm part of the SoftSmile team. And in today's tutorial, we are covering the new option of locomotion. This feature allows the movement of one tooth and have every other tooth move in line with it by pushing them, maintaining ideal contact, or by including proclination and collision as they make contact with each other. So let's go ahead and get started. To activate the feature, we'll move to the bar on the left side and select it. You can see the little window pop open. You can see the slider in which you can move more towards the left or to the right. One moving into the proclination only and the other one towards collision. So when we do a 50-50, it means that when we're moving the teeth, it'll include a percentage of both actions. As we select a specific tooth and we begin to push it either mesial or distal, we can see that the entire row of teeth make ideal contact and move towards the direction in which we're pushing the tooth. The way that the percentages work is that, let's say there is a tooth that we have locked into position because we are happy, we do not want to change that position. So I'm going to go ahead and select it and lock the tooth into position. And as I select the tooth that I'm going to be pushing towards that direction of my locked tooth, and I have my percentages selected, you're going to see that as I move in that direction, we have collisions. And as I keep pushing the teeth, you're going to see that the lateral and canine are also being proclined as I push into the direction of the locked tooth. So it allows for both the collision and the proclination of the teeth as I push them into that direction. But if I change the percentages, meaning if I only want proclination and 0 collisions, as I begin to make my selection and pushing the same teeth towards the direction of the locked tooth, you can see that the teeth are all in ideal contact, and the changes are happening more in the proclination of the lateral and the canine. And you can see that the changes being done where space may be created, but no collisions are created. And that's because in the percentage of the slider, I said 0 collisions. And the same thing if we were to change the position of the slider towards 100% collisions. So it does not allow for proclination. So we can see all the teeth generate a stronger collision as they move towards each other. So this is really a great tool to have ideal positioning, but some slight proclination. To activate and deactivate the feature itself, we'll simply click on the icon to activate and deactivate. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and thank you so much for watching.